Hello, my name is Siva Bhaktavachalu. I am a student of the Master in Entrepreneurship and Innovation at the Luxembourg Business Academy. So today I'm going to talk to you about the loyalty program in the frame of the marketing course. First of all, what is a customer loyalty program? A customer loyalty program is a rewards program offered by a company to customers who frequently make purchases. A loyalty program cultivates an ongoing relationship between a company and its customers. Successful loyalty programs encourage the consumer to buy frequently, to increase the amount spent each time, and to concentrate all or most of their related purchases on that brand, behavior which is potentially beneficial to the company. It provides two key functions. First, they give a customer reward for brand loyalty, and they provide the issuing company with a wealth of consumer information. While companies can evaluate anonymous purchases, the use of a loyalty program gives additional information about the type of products that may be purchased together and whether certain coupons are effective or not. Loyalty program tactics also include regular communication with customers, such as reminder mailing, satisfaction and opinion surveys, and so on. So how does a loyalty program work? Customers register their personal information with the company and they are given a unique identifier, such as a membership card or a unique numerical ID. So the customer is identified when making a purchase. A loyalty program may give a customer advanced access to new products, special sales, coupons, or free merchandise. Now, taking the example of the chain store. As we said previously, the chain store, first of all, the customer needs to register with his personal information to the chain store, the name, the phone number, living town, the email address. This information is captured into a customer database and a fidelity card, a customer card, is given to the customer. The customer then goes to shopping. After selecting one or more products in the chain store, the customer goes to the point of sale, pay by cash or by card. In the case of the card, the bank needs to approve the transaction, and in parallel, the completed transaction information such as the customer order details are captured and then used in part of the customer relationship management. Indeed, the loyalty program is part of the customer relationship management, the CRM. The goal of the CRM is the management of detailed information about individual customers and carefully management of customer touchpoints to maximize customer loyalty. Mining of all data collected from customers enable to understand their needs and their wants. Give discount to best customer, for example. So the company captures information at every possible customer touchpoint, such as the customer purchases, service and support calls, satisfaction surveys, credit and payment, market research studies. In order to integrate customer information from all sources, analyze it in depth, and apply the result to build stronger relationships, smart companies use this CRM, which consists of sophisticated software and analytical tools. CRM integrates everything that a company's sales, service, and marketing teams know about individual customers, providing a 360-degree view of the customer relationship, and then can give finally coupon, rebate, specific discount, a loyalty program to targeted customers. In this part, we will talk about the different types of loyalty program. It is not an exhaustive list. So the first type of loyalty programs is a point, which is actually earn points and redeem for rewards. For example, Maximize, which is a partner of Expedia and also a gas station. Then the coupon, which are certificates that save buyer money when they purchase a specific product. For example, Auchan, most consumers love coupon. Rebate, like coupon, except that price reduction occurs after the purchase. Price pack, saving off the regular price of a product. Auchan, Cora, Carrefour provide this type of loyalty program. Then we have privilege, which is earn points and redeem for rewards plus share of privileges like Lufthansa, and membership cards, which offer advantages such as special price on product by implementing a two-part tariff, for example, Amazon Family. Now the well-known loyalty program. So we talk about Amazon, but you have also other kind of loyalty program. Airline frequent flyer programs that offer discount against future travel called award miles. Most large supermarket chains now have frequent buyer clubs that offer coupon discounts as well as newsletter and affiliate discounts. Frequency discounts offered by hotels and restaurants based on the number of rooms or meals purchased, offering free room upgrades or free meals. And car rental companies offer free upgrades to people who rent car a number of times, usually within a specific period of time. Now to conclude and to talk about my personal learning. So to conclude, customers get a lot of privilege of specific loyalty programs, but also the company get privilege. It enables the company to understand which customers are profitable and which are not. Loyalty program is also part of the CRM, a key to customer retention and make more profit for the company. On my side, I learned a lot about loyalty programs because it is very useful for our business project. So to conclude, customers get a lot of privilege of specific loyalty programs, but also the company get privilege. It enables the company to understand which customers are profitable and which are not. Loyalty program is also part of the CRM, a key to customer retention and make more profit for the company. On my side, I learned a lot about loyalty programs because it is very useful for our business project.